What's up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. My name is Jesse Cohen. Today is Wednesday, November 4th, 2020, and this is today's Market Bell episode covering the top 5 things to know today on Wall Street. Let's get started off with number one. Global financial markets look set for a volatile session as results of the U.S. election between President Donald Trump and Democratic challenger Joe Biden rolled in without a clear winner yet. Millions of votes in key swing states like Michigan, Wisconsin, and Pennsylvania were still uncounted as of this morning. President Trump claimed in a late-night speech from the White House that he had won the election without providing any evidence and that he would go to the Supreme Court to fight for the win if needed. Biden had earlier, for his part, said that he was confident of winning, so that raised the possibility of a prolonged legal battle to resolve the outcome. The market is likely to face a period of uncertainty and turbulence in the near term, as voting results could take days to determine. If this were to go to the Supreme Court, then the results would obviously take even longer, and that's probably the worst case scenario for the markets as of all the possible ones at the moment. Traders are also, in addition, reacting to news that the Democrats were less likely than previously expected to take the Senate from the Republicans in a so-called blue wave. So overall, looks like the polls had it wrong all along. Stay tuned for any further developments on the political front as the session progresses, especially if we start seeing results from some of these key battleground swing states. On to number two. Stocks on Wall Street are set for a choppy open as the market attempts to navigate through the growing political uncertainty. After swinging violently between gains and losses in overnight action, the Dow futures are now pointing to a gain of about 50 points at the open. Futures on the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ were also indicating a positive Wednesday start for the two indexes, with the tech-heavy NASDAQ set to jump almost 3%. We see investors piling back into the mega-cap tech names this morning. Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, all trading higher by at least 3% as the split Congress obviously reduces fears of regulatory concerns and antitrust fears for some of those tech names. Just a heads up, folks, I highlighted 3 election-proof stocks that should do well regardless of a Trump or Biden win for my new weekly post for Investing.com. So go check that out later on today. I highlighted Moderna, Caterpillar, and Microsoft as those 3 stocks. Like I said, it should be on the Investing.com homepage later on this morning, so go check that out. On to number 3. There are just a few notable names reporting their latest quarterly results as the third quarter reporting season continues on Wall Street. Wendy's and Hilton report ahead of the opening bell. After the close, we'll then see Qualcomm, Zynga, Upwork, and Paycom then report their results. Head over to Investing.com's earnings calendar to stay up to date with the latest results on that. On to number 4, it's a big day on the economic calendar. The ADP's monthly employment report is due this morning, and it will provide further updates on the current state of the U.S. labor market. Analysts expect the economy to have created 650,000 jobs in October, which would mark a slowdown from the 749,000 jobs added in September. And finally, number 5, let's stay on the data front. We also get the latest ISM Services PMI at 10 a.m. Eastern Time this morning. The survey is forecast to fall slightly to a reading of 57.5 in October, down from 57.8 in September. As always, you can track the data releases in real time on Investing.com's economic calendar. So that's it for me for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. For those tuning in on the podcast, thank you for listening. We're also on Spotify, so go check that out. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.